Kaito runs along a 12-kilometer path at an average speed of x kilometers per hour. Write down an expression in terms of x for the number of hours he takes. So here, as you know, speed is equals to distance upon time. We need an expression for time. So that would be t is equals to distance by speed. So the distance over here is 12 upon speed is x. So this is the expression for the number of hours it takes. Next, Yuki takes 1.5 hours longer to walk along the same path as Kaito. She walks at an average speed of x minus 4 km per hour. Write down an equation in terms of x and show that it simplifies to x square minus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. So let's do that over here. Let's write the expression first. Time taken by Yuki is longer than time taken by Kaito by 1.5 hours. So this is what the expression looks like. Now Yuki, her time taken can be just simply written in the same form, distance upon speed. So that is 12 upon speed x minus 4 equal to 1.5 plus 12 by x. So here I'm going to take all the x terms to one side. So that will be 12 by x minus 4 minus 12 by x equal to 1.5. Then you're just going to cross multiply to get the numerator. So that's 12x minus 12 times of x minus 4 upon x into x minus 4 equal to 1.5. Then you're going to cross multiply here. So finally we get 12x minus 12x plus 48 is equals to 1.5x square minus 6x. 1.5x square minus 6x, this 12x and minus 12x gets cancelled, so you're left with 1.5x square minus 6x minus 48 equal to 0. You can take 1.5 common in all of these terms, and when you do that you're left with x square minus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. Next, solve by factorization x square minus 4x minus 32. So here, to factorize this expression you just need to split the middle term. How do you split the middle term? By taking the factors of this number over here. So 32 can be factorized as 8 and 4. So we can use that to split minus 4x. So basically I'm going to write minus 4x as minus 8x plus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. Now take common, so that's x minus 8 plus 4 into x minus 8 equal to 0, which is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 8 equal to 0. So the x value is minus 4 or it is plus 8, two values of x. Now find the number of hours it takes Yuki to walk along the 12-kilometer path. So we already know the expression for the number of hours for Yuki, that is 12 by x minus 4. And we also found out the value of x here to be minus 4 or 8. So here we cannot go with the value minus 4, because if you substitute minus 4 over here, you'll get a negative answer and the number of hours can't be negative. So we're going to go with the positive number over here, which is 8. So that's 12 by 8 minus 4 equal to 3.